Head Relaxation Massage Version 1. Slide both thumbs from forehead to temples to relax the forehead area. Then use fingers to lightly pull on earlobe area and upper half of ears. For second move, insert all 10 fingers into hair and use finger pads to massage entire head. Third, pull hair to relax entire head area. Fourth, scrub up and down on ear root without force on up motion. Use finger pads to massage left and right sides of head. Head Relaxation Massage Version 2. First, use both thumbs to relax entire forehead area. Use finger pads to press acupressure points. Second, use 4 fingers on both hands to pull and relax forehead area up to hairline. Third, massage entire scalp area to soothe and relax. Fourth, use fingertips to make circling motions all over scalp area. Fifth, pull hair and take some hair towards top of head with appropriate force to relax head. Do each set of moves 8 times.